Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I do have a mail call today from eBay. eBay shop E1CNR. They have 100% ratings with over 4,000 reviews. This was one of the coins I saw come up there. It is a proof coin, so it will be going into my proof type set as a new addition. This will be my first time owning one of these proof type type coins. I've actually kind of held off on it because I didn't really see the appeal too much to it, but I knew that I would need to eventually get one of these. This one came across, and it's actually the cheapest that I have seen listed. So let's go ahead and jump into it. The reason that I hadn't really gotten one of these yet was, again, I was kind of holding off for a toned one to add into the set, or something that would just kind of set it apart from a normal one that anyone can get. Make the type set really nice, and I think a toned one would have been nice. Maybe a tougher gauge, or something up there that really could set it apart, really, like my Franklin. Like, I was gonna hold off for a while on that, but my wife bought me one that was a plus star cameo, so that one was definitely very nice and obviously added into the collection. Some good work there. Kind of taped everything up. That's where half my videos is just pulling out the actual coin. And there it is. Look at the luster on that bad boy. It's actually pretty nice. So as you can see, obviously, a Buffalo nickel, 1937, and came back PCGS proof 64. It's actually really nice. It's not the blast white that I got from the photos, and I can show you the true view from PCGS, but I actually still like it. Well, again, thank you for joining my channel, and I hope you have a great day.